my god. Is there anything I can do to prevent getting so much earwax?
Once we get it cleaned out, just rinsing your ear in the shower
Because
every
I
morning.
never do that. I never rinse my ears with water or anything.
Why not?
I'm scared of water in my ears.
The water will come right out of your ear, and it'll bring this wax out with it as well. Wax is water soluble, and so
God.
the warm water will bring it right out. And there's that dry wax, or dry skin again, just like on the other side. See that little flap right there?
Mm-hmm.
Dry skin. So dry skin works its way out of the ear canal as long as there's not a lot of wax in there to keep it inside.
Right. In my case, that wasn't coming out.
So I think to get this cleaned out, if you just rinse your ears during a shower, let's see if we can see an eardrum. Ah, there we go. Another beautiful eardrum. A little bit of wax there around the edge yet, so I'll fetch that out.
This was so relaxing. I'm so glad I came here. Because usually they try and use that little scoop thing, and this is just so much. I guess me being able to see it helps ease the anxiety.
I think that helps a lot. You know exactly what's happening. You know exactly when the curette is going to touch your ear canal. And there we go. We're good.